In this video, I'm showing you how to use Canva's brand new BG Generator, an AI-powered tool that changes your image background in seconds. Whether you're going for realistic vibes, fantasy flair, or a pro-level studio look, this tool's got your back. Check this out. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you something brand new in Canva. It's a really cool feature and something I think that will really be helpful to you. Right now I'm on the Canva homepage and I'm going to go here to YouTube video and open up another page. Now I'm going to show you something cool. So the first thing I'll do is scroll down to photos and let's try a couple of different images. I'll try this one and make it fit the page and then add a different one. I think I'm going to use this image and make it fill the page. Imagine these images are your own images. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is click on the image. Remember, this could be any image you'll be using. So once you click on it, make sure it opens up the menu up here. Now click on Edit. And if you look inside Magic Studio, you'll see there's something new here called BG Generator. This is a tool for paid users. So now I'm going to click on this and it will open up a screen just like this. In this box, you need to describe a new scene. So we've got this guy running, and I'm going to make him run on the moon in outer space. So let's click Generate and see what happens. It will create 4 different versions for us. I want you to smash that subscribe video if you want to make better videos. Nice? Which do you like best? I think I'm going to go with that one. If we wanted to, we could generate again and make something else, but for now, I'm just going to choose that one. And the cool thing is, if you click on this sun right here, it'll open up this menu. Right now, you can see this runner doesn't completely match the background, but if you want to make it look consistent, if you click on this, this will kind of change the foreground image up to match the background more. Check out these options. That way you can make it look more like a real image. And then when you're ready, just click Done. So let's take this musician and let's do the same thing with it. So click on the picture. Now click on Edit. Then click on Background Generate. So let's put him in a New York alley. The wall is covered with graffiti. Click Generate. So now it's creating 4 images again based on that prompt that I gave it for the new background. Check those out. And if you click on these, notice each of these will be a little different. I don't know about you guys, but I think I like this one the best. So again, to make the image look more cohesive, you click here, you can see how it changes it. And then we'll click Done. And if we wanted to download it, just click on it here. Go to File, Download, and then you could share it as either a JPEG or a PNG. So you started with this image and now it looks like this. And now we have this other image, but when it started out, it looked like this. So this is the amazing tool in Canva that's brand new. It's called BG Generator. So come in here and try it out for yourself. And I think you'll have fun creating some really cool stuff. And I hope this video helped you learn more about another interesting feature inside Canva.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.